The HI758-11 Marine Calcium Certified Standard Kit may be used to validate the meter. This set includes 2 sealed cuvettes, one for 0 calcium and one tinted to be equivalent to 400 ppm calcium at 25 degrees Celsius. To use these standards, simply place the 0 cuvette in once Add C1 appears and press the button. Then place the second cuvette in once Add C2 is displayed. Press the button again to obtain the result. Reagent addition is not necessary and the cuvettes can be reused until expired. The meter is considered operational if the result is within ±6% of the value stated on the included certificate of analysis.